Previous video we solved four different word problems of linear equations in one variable. Let us continue the remaining five different problems in this video. One of two digits of two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So they asked to find the original number. Original number means you should have two digits. Two-digit number, so you should have two digit. Let us take the digit as x. Let one digit be x, okay, then the other digit becomes 3x, is it not? That is what they have mentioned. If one digit is two digits of two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So if one digit is x, the other digit is 3x. Okay, if it is so, then the number becomes, number is nothing but, suppose I will explain with you an example. Suppose let us take 42. Here this number can be written as 40 plus 2. 4 is in tens place, so you will simply multiply with 10 and you will write it as 40 plus 2. Here 2 into 1, is it not? Similarly, as we took digit as x, okay, this digit is in tens place, so multiply with 10 into x plus 3x, it is in ones place, so this becomes 10x plus 3x. This is the number, okay. Now after interchanging, means we have to interchange the number in ones place to tens place and tens place to ones place. So the interchanging of this number becomes 2, 4. Is it not? Similarly, here after interchanging, the digit in tens place becomes 3x, other digit becomes x. So after interchanging, the number will be 3x into 10 plus x, is it not? So this is equal to 30x plus x. The condition to form the equation is we have to add them, and this is equal to 8. So add them. 10x plus 3x plus 30x plus x is equal to 88. This is what they have given, is it not? If we add, the resulting number is 88. Now, so this is 10 plus 30, 40, 43, 44. So 44x is equal to 88. Okay, you will get x is equal to 88 by 4. I'm 44. I'm bringing this 44 to RHS. Okay, this is equal to 2. So we got the value of 2, x as 2. Now substituting the assumed things. That is, we assumed as the number is 10x plus 3x. Is it not? Now multiply, in place of x write down 2 plus 3 into 2. Okay, this becomes 20 plus 6. So this is equal to 26. Okay. So this is the original number. Original number is equal to 26, which they asked to find. Now let us go to next problem. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. Here they asked to find the present age of Aman as well as his son. Is it not? So let us take the age as x. So we have to take age as x, means we have to take the age of son as x. So son's age bx, then Aman's age becomes, okay, the relation between Aman's age and the son's age is given that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So this is, if this is x, then Aman's age is 3 into x, is it not? So this becomes 3 into x. Okay, 10 years ago. Ago means we have to add minus 10 to this, is it not? So let's simply add x minus 10. 3x minus 10. The condition to form the equation is Aman's age is 5 times his son's age. So if son's age is x minus 10, this is 5 of x minus 10 equal to 3x minus 10. Okay, now multiply. This becomes 5x minus 50 equal to 3x minus 10. Okay, 5x, bring this plus 3x to bring the quotients of x to one side, LHS, that is LHS, and the constant terms to RHS. So 5x minus 3x equal to this minus 10 plus 50. This minus 50 and going to right hand side becomes plus 50. So this is equal to 40. So this is 2x equal to 40. X is equal to 40 by 2. Is it not? I brought 2 to RHS. This is equal to 20. So we got x as 20. X is nothing but we assumed as son's age. Is it not? So the present age will be son's age is equal to 20. Aman's age is 3 times of son's age. So 3x, is it not? So 3 into 20 equal to 60. This is Aman's age. So we got both son's age and Aman's age. One as 20 and the other as 60. Now let us go to next problem. The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 3:4. Find their present age. So here they asked to find their present age. Let us take the age as x. So present, if we take age as x, Hari age is Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7, means this is 5x and here it is 7x, is it not? If we take the age as x, Hari age is 5x and the Harry age is 7x. Okay, 4 years from now means 4 years later, is it not? 4 years later means in future. So you have to add 4. Add 4 to both. We got the terms. Okay, the condition to form the equation is their age ratio, that is 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. This ratio is equal to 3:4. That is what they have given, is it not? That is what they have given, is it not? The ratio of their age will be 3:4. So this ratio is equal to 3:4. Means 5x plus 4 equal to 7x plus 4 equal to 3 by 4. Now solve the equation. Do cross multiplication. Okay, this becomes 4 into 5x plus 4 equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Okay, this is equal to 20x plus 16 is equal to 21x plus 12. Now bring this quotients of x to LHS and constant terms to RHS. 20x minus 21x equal to 12 minus 16. This plus 16 becomes minus. So this is nothing but minus x is equal to minus of 4. So you will get, multiplying both sides with minus and you will get x is equal to 4. We got the value of x. So the present, substituting in the assumed things. So present age will be Okay, present age of Hari will be 5x. 5x is nothing but 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Harry will be 7x. 7x is nothing but 7 into 4 is nothing but 28. We got the present age of both Harry and Harry. Done with the problem. Now let us go to next problem. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If numerator is increased by 17, the denominator is increased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. This is the problem given. Okay. So they asked to find the rational number. Rational number means you will have both numerator and denominator. Let us take numerator as x. Let numerator be x. Okay. Then denominator is increased by x means is increased by 8 means x plus 8. Is it not? Next, the next condition is if numerator is increased by 17, denominator is decreased by 8 by 1. So denominator is increased by 1 means x plus 8 minus 1. This is equal to x plus 7. Okay. So we got two terms. One for the numerator and the other for the denominator. And the relation is given that the number obtained is 3 by 2. So numerator by denominator is equal to 3 by 2. So this number is equal to 3 by 2. X plus 17 equal to x plus 7 equal to 3 by 2. This is what they have given, is it not? Now cross multiply. Solve the equation. This becomes 2 into x plus 17 equal to 3 into x plus 7. Okay, this is nothing but 2x plus 34 equal to 3x plus 21. Okay, bring the quotients of x to one side and constant terms to other side. This becomes 2x minus 3x equal to 21 minus 34. This is nothing but minus x is equal to 13. Minus 13. Now multiply both sides with minus sign. You will get x is equal to 13. Now substitute this value of x in the assumed things. So x we got is numerator. So numerator is 13. Denominator is x plus 8, nothing but 13 plus 8 equal to 21. 13 plus 8 is nothing but 21. So therefore rational number is equal to numerator is 13, denominator is 21. This is what they asked to find. Now we are done with the problem. Let us go to next problem. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter, trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? The question might be big. It might be seem big, but the steps of the solution are very less. Okay, any sales, when you come across to any sales oriented problem means you have to bring the relation between the quotients, selling price and cost price into mind. Okay, here it is related with sales, is it not? That is, whole problem is related with the selling price. Okay, how much trouser material did he buy? His total sale is 36,600. So they, in every sentence it is clear that this problem, sales oriented problem, is goes with selling price and profit, the relation between the selling price and the profit. So usually the relation between the profit, selling price and cost price is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, is it not? So we want selling price. Selling price is nothing but SP is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, let the material be X. Then for shirt, he brought 3 meters of shirt, means 3x, is it not? And he bought 2 meters of trousers, means 2x, is it not? Now we have to find the sale price of shirt as well as sale price of trouser. Okay, so sale price of shirt, the shirt will be cost price is 50 plus profit will be 50 into, it is 12%, is it not? So this cancels and this becomes 5 2s and 2 6. So this is equal to 50 plus 6. This is equal to 56. Okay. In case of trouser, the cost price is 90 plus he got 10% of profit. So 10 into 10, 90 into 10 by 100. So this is equal to 90 plus 9. This is equal to 99. So in case of shirt, we got 56 as the selling price of shirt and 99 as the selling price of trouser. Then total sale will be, total sale is nothing but 3x into 56, is it not? The material he brought into selling price. For trouser it will be 2x into 99. So the material he brought into selling price. So we got the sale of shirt and sale of trousers. Now the condition to form the equation is given as total sale is equal to 36,600. So we have to add these two terms, 3x into 56 plus 2x into 99 equal to 36,600. So this becomes 3 into 56 is nothing but 168x plus 2 into 99 is 198x is equal to 36,600. If we add these two, this becomes 366x, that is 366x is equal to 36,600. Therefore x is equal to 36,600 by 366. This is nothing but 100, is it not? So we got the value of x as 100. 100 is nothing but the material. So we have to find the trouser material, how much trouser material he brought. So trouser material which he bought is equal to, it is nothing but 2x. We assumed it as 2x, is it not? 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Finally, we got the required answer, what they asked. So finally, we got the answer, that is the trouser material which he brought is 200 meters. Hope you have understood how to solve the word problems of linear equations in one variable. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on more concepts. Thank you.